Hey plums, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you're a new subscriber here, you are welcome to this channel. So in this channel, I'll be showing you different hair tutorial. So this is a sequel video of one of the videos I uploaded on how to do a reverse bombshell using a flexi rod. So this is a completion of the part 2 rather of the video where I unravel the hair. Just as you're coiling, you have to coil in a particular direction. Same things applies when you use heatless method to achieve your coils. So this is me unraveling the left hand side. The coils, when you're unraveling the left hand side, the coils should face the right hand side. When you are unraveling the right hand side, the coil should face the left hand side. So probably in my next video I'll do a tutorial on how to do the bombshell, the normal bombshell using heatless coils as well. So stay tuned for the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share if you find this video helpful, and leave a comment in the comment section of the video you want me to do next. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.